Start.
नमस्कार, हाय, हॅलो, अगेन वेलकम इन आवर शो लालित्य क्विज कॉन्टेस्ट. मित्रांनो, आज पण तुमच्यासाठी घेऊन आलोय तुमचा आवडता कार्यक्रम लालित्य क्विज कॉन्टेस्ट. लालित्य क्विज कॉन्टेस्ट.
Good afternoon, guys, and welcome back to the Laditya Quiz Contest. I'm very happy to welcome you all here. And now, without any further ado, let us start the quiz show if you are ready.
Yes,
Yes.
by all means.
Today's quiz show will consist of 6 rounds, and there will be a number of questions in each round.
Okay.
So, we will start with round one. Take your pick. I will ask each participant 3 questions. The first question will have 3 options, second question will have 4 options, and the third question will have 5 options. In all 3 cases, there will be only one correct answer. You have to tell me which is the correct answer. You can earn up to 5 points for each question, so there is a total of 15 points up to be taken in this round. So, who shall we begin with?
With me?
Yeah, sure, why not? So, are you ready?
Yes.
Which nut is attached to a yellow or red pear shaped false fruit? Almond, walnut, or cashew?
Cashew.
Yes, that is the correct answer. By the way, did you know, guys, you can eat that fruit? It's not very tasty, but you can eat it. Second question. Rukmini Dev Arundale and Yamini Krishnamurti are associated with which dance form?
Hmm.
Kathak, Bharatnatyam, Manipuri, Kuchipudi.
Bharatnatyam.
Are you sure?
No, it's a guess.
What do you think?
Bharatnatyam.
Yes, Bharatnatyam is the right answer. Your third question. Who appoints the Attorney General of India? President, Prime Minister, Chief Justice of Supreme Court, Vice President, or Speaker of the Lok Sabha?
I think it's president.
What do you think?
Repeat question.
अटर्नी जनरल ऑफ इंडिया ला कोण अपॉइंट करतं? प्रेसिडेंट, प्राईम मिनिस्टर, चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ सुप्रीम कोर्ट, व्हाइस प्रेसिडेंट का स्पीकर ऑफ लोकसभा?
Chief Justice of.
Supreme Court.
Yes,
No,
Supreme
it is
Court.
president. You are absolutely correct.
Oh.
You have scored a perfect score of 15 points.
Nice question.
Now, let us have our second participant, Suhita.
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yes.
In the hermitage of which sage was Shakuntala brought up? शकुंतला कोणत्या ऋषीमुनींच्या आश्रमात
Wardly.
वाढली. हां. Okay.
कण्व, अगस्त्य, द्रोणाचार्य?
It's first Kanva.
Yes, you are right. If you are a cartographer, what do you study? जर तू एक कार्टोग्राफर आहेस तर तू कशाचा अभ्यास करतेस?
Okay.
मॅप्स, नकाशे, पोस्टकार्ड, रेनफॉल, कॉइन्स?
Repeat the options.
मॅप्स,
Maps.
पोस्टकार्ड, रेनफॉल, कॉइन्स?
It's a rainfall.
What do you think?
I think it's maps.
Yes, maps was what I was looking for. Rainfall study, the one who studies rainfall is an, I think it's a
What's the
orographologist.
Oh.
Maybe, I'm not very sure.
Okay, okay.
In 2008, who became the first Indian actor to receive the Malaysian title Datuk?
Datuk.
DATUK.
Okay.
2008 मध्ये कोण पहिला भारतीय अभिनेता बनला ज्याला मलेशियन टायटल दातुक मिळालं? आमिर खान,
Hmm.
ऋतिक रोशन, अजय देवगन, अमिताभ बच्चन और शाहरुख खान?
Amir Khan.
What do you think?
Okay, maybe Shah Rukh Khan.
Yes, it is Shahrukh Khan, not Amir Khan, so you don't get points for that. So you have scored 5 points in round 1.
Okay.
So that concludes round 1, guys. Now let us move on to round 2. What's the question?
Yes.
In this round, I will ask each participant 3 questions. The questions are inverted. I give you the answer, you give me the question.
Okay.
Each question is worth 10 points, so you can score up to 30 points in this round. So, we will begin with you if you are ready.
Yeah.
So, Albert Mission School, Vinayak Mudali Street, and Lawley Extension. Should I repeat?
Yeah.
Albert Mission School, Vinayak Mudali Street, and Lolly Extension. Not right?
No.
Suhita, do you have any
No
answers?
idea, no idea.
I think you should have guessed this. What are some famous landmarks in the town Malgudi,
Oh.
created by R.K. Narayan?
R.K. Narayan, yes, yes.
So no one gets points for that.
Uh,
He played the role of Dennis the Menace in the 1993 film.
No.
Not right. Yeah?
तिचं नाव नाही माहिती मला
Yeah,
माहिती आहे ती
yeah,
movie.
Dennis the Menace is a famous film.
Yes.
Who was the actor? Who played the role?
No, no.
It was Mason Gamble. Who is Mason Gamble? Now, third question. Lunula. Lunula. Lunula.
No.
Not right. You?
No idea.
Well, lunula, if you would look at your thumb, this small moon-like white part is called the lunula.
Okay.
So what do you call the white moon-like structure at the base of your nail? That is a lunula.
Nice question.
Yeah.
Awesome, actually.
Now, so unfortunately you don't score any points, but no worries, we have got a lot more rounds. Now, let us
Yes.
move on to our second participant, Suhita.
Hmm.
This freedom fighter transformed Ganesh Chaturthi into a public event.
What is the work Lokmanya Bal Gangadhar Tilak started?
Yeah, who was Bal Gangadhar
How
Tilak?
was Bal
Yes, I
Gangadhar
can
Tilak?
take that. Hardanahari. Hardanahari.
What is the first name of Honorable Deve Gowda? It's Hardan Hari Dede Gowda.
I was looking for what does the H in HD Deve Gowda stand for, but I can take that, no worries.
Deve Gowda.
Your third question. He created the rag Priyadarshani in Indira Gandhi's honor. No options.
Repeat
He
that.
created the rag Priyadarshani in Indira Gandhi's honor.
What work did Bhimsen Joshi?
No. Do you have any answers?
Bhimsen
Who was
Joshi?
Amjad Ali Khan?
Amjad Ali Khan. Okay, मला वाटलं
So guys, that concludes round 2. Now, let us have a short break. But before we go into the break, I want to ask you a question. This is not for any points, and our viewers who are at home, you can surely try this question. What do shadow, crash, pandemonium, parliament, risk, murder, and mischief have in common?
repeat it.
Shadow,
हाँ.
crash, pandemonium, parliament, risk, murder आणि mischief या सगळ्यांमध्ये काय कॉमन आहे?
Okay.
So, now guys, let us have a break. After the break, we'll be back with round 3 and the answer to this wonderful question.
भीतर से हम टूटे टूटे फिर भी बाहर से जुड़े हुए हैं. भीतर से हम टूटे टूटे फिर भी बाहर से जुड़े हुए हैं. कभी दोबारा पढ़ लेना तुम, कभी दोबारा पढ़ लेना तुम. हम तो है कागज के मुड़े हुए, हम तो है कागज के मुड़े हुए. तेरे हर एक गमों का हिसाब किताब कर दूंगा, हंसा हंसा के तुझको गुलाब कर दूंगा. अगर वक्त मिले तो पढ़ूंगा इतना कि पढ़ पढ़ के तेरा चेहरा गुलाब कर दूंगा. कि पढ़ पढ़ के तेरा चेहरा एक कट कर.
Welcome back, guys. And before going to the break, I had asked a wonderful question. If you have any guesses,
It's a crime novel.
no. By the way, this was not the name. These are
Crimes?
not crime novels. Yeah.
Crime story.
No.
No. All of these are collective nouns for animals.
Oh,
A
animals.
shadow of jaguar, a crash of rhinos, a
Wow.
pandemonium of parrots, a parliament of owls, a risk of lobsters, a murder of crows, and a mischief of rats.
Okay.
So these all are
Nice,
some
nice.
absolutely hilarious names for collective nouns of animals. In fact, these are just a few. There are many more which are way hilarious. Guys, you can look up the internet. There, the internet is just flooded with such names. Now,
Wow.
let us have round 3, mixed bag.
Yes.
This round shall involve written answers only. I will ask you a question and you will have precisely 15 seconds to write down the answer. I will see what you have written and we will see if it is correct. A correct answer gives you 10 points. There are 5 questions. So there are 50 points at stake. If you are ready,
Yes.
we can
Yeah.
begin. So, shall we begin?
Yes.
Your first question is, the Indian name of this snake is Ajgar. What is its English name? You may 15 seconds are up. We have
Anaconda.
anaconda. We have python. Python was what I was looking
Anaconda
for.
कौन है वो?
No, anacondas are not even found in India. They're found in the
Amazon jungle.
Amazon rainforest.
Okay.
So you get points for that. Second question. What is common to Banganapalli, Safeda and Malda? Banganapalli, Safeda and Malda. हे सगळे काय? You may start writing now. And 15 seconds are we have
Name of cities.
names of cities. We have cities. No, these are varieties of mangoes.
Oh.
So no one gets points for that. The third question is, who was the German businessman who saved more than 1,000 Jews from Nazi camps and his documentary was made into an award-winning film? I want his full name. You may start writing now. 15 seconds are up. We have
Adolf Schindler.
Adolf Schindler. We have Mr. Schindler, very creative. I was looking for Oscar Schindler. So no one gets points for that because I clearly mentioned I want the complete name. The fourth question is, which two words are inscribed on the flat slab below the emblem of India? एम्ब्लेम ऑफ इंडिया वरती जो भारताचं राष्ट्रचिन्ह आहे त्याचा जो एक फ्लॅट स्लॅब आहे त्याच्या खाली कोणते दोन शब्द लिहिलेले आहेत? यू मे स्टार्ट.
म्हणजे फ्लॅग वरती
फ्लॅट स्लॅबच्या खाली दोन शब्द लिहिलेले आहेत ते काय? यू मे स्टार्ट रायटिंग नाउ. 15 seconds are up. We have Satyameva Jayate. We have Satyameva Jayate. Satyameva Jayate is the right answer. Both of you get points for that. Now, the last question. With which prison would you associate 14th July 1789? 14 जुलै 1789 शी तो कोणत्या जेलचा संबंध आहे? You may start writing now. 15 seconds are up. We have
Andaman.
Andaman. It's not even a prison. We have Eden. No, I was looking for Bastille. Bastille was a prison in France. It is on 14th of July 1789. The storming of Bastille took place and many people armed themselves and fought with the prison guards, took up more arms and released the 8 people in the prison. So no one gets points for that. Now, that concludes round 3, mixed bag. Now, we will have round 4, which is vocabulary. I will ask you the question. The question itself will contain the instructions. You have to do as you are directed and give me the answer. Each question is worth 10 points and this is a buzzer round. You have to hit something around you.
Yes.
And you have to hit only after I say go. So, are you ready?
Yes.
Your first question is, rearrange the letters in the word taste. So, taste. To find what Uttarakhand is. Start thinking. And 15 seconds are up. Go.
State.
Yeah. Second question. Rearrange the letters in the word Mary. Mary, as in the name, Mother Mary, to find a defense force. Defense force. Start thinking.
Oh,
15 seconds are up and go.
मी
Army.
आधी वाजवलं होतं.
I said.
त्यानंतर पण मी वाजवलं होतं
But I
आधी.
heard this first. Huh? What you said?
Army.
Yeah. Rearrange the letters in the word went. Went as in the past tense of go to get an amphibian.
काय?
Amphibian.
Amphibian म्हणजे?
Ubhaychar.
Ubhaychar.
हा, हा,
Go. You may start thinking. I'm extremely sorry. Yes, I don't ask you the meanings. Okay. 15 seconds are up. Go.
Twen.
No, that's no thing. Would you like to try? Not for points. It's a newt. Newt. Newt is it's an amphibian. So no one gets points for that. Your fourth question is rearrange the. Sorry. Read the word flog. Flog. F-L-O-G. Flog backwards to get a game. Start thinking. And 15 seconds are up. Go.
गोल.
Yeah, golf is correct. Rearrange the letters in the word made. Made as in the past tense of make. Made to get a town in Netherlands or a type of cheese. Start thinking. And 15 seconds are up. Go.
DAME, dem.
No.
Name of cheese.
Would you like to try not for points?
Mead.
No, it was Edam. I told you, read the word backwards.
Oh,
No, you said
no.
rearrange.
Did I
Okay,
say
but-
You never said.
But it's
that.
okay, not a problem. That also is correct.
Yeah. You.
But you never say that. मग उलट वाचायचं. हे तू फ्लॉगला बोलला होतास. मी फ्लॉगला पण नव्हता
हो
बोललेला.
बोलला होता फ्लॉगला बोलला
हा,
होता
फ्लॉगला
आता
बोलला होता, ह्याला नाही बोलला मी.
I'm extremely sorry,
Yeah,
but
okay, it's okay.
if you think logically, reading the word backwards is also rearranging.
Yeah, so that's correct,
Idem.
not a problem. Instructions are not wrong.
So what's the
Question is
word?
not wrong.
It was
Idem.
Edam.
Edam,
E-D-A-M.
Edam.
Edam cheese.
Cheese.
Yeah, it is also
Okay,
town. I'm
no
extremely
problem.
sorry.
No,
I
no,
can
it's
give
okay.
both of you the points for that.
Thank you.
I should have been more cautious. Anyways, let us now have round 5 confidence round. This is also a buzzer round. There will be 5 questions. Each question worth 10 points. And we'll see who wins. Now, are you ready?
Yeah.
And yes, you have to hit something around you only after I say go.
Yes.
I will not consider it if you do before that.
Yes.
What would ache if you had a migraine? Migraine मध्ये काय दुखतं? Go.
Head.
Yeah. Second question. Abhimanyu was the son of which Pandav? Go.
Arjun.
Yes. In the Jungle Book, what creature is Balu? Go.
It's a bear.
Yeah. Bear.
Bear. Aswal.
Fourth question. Blue, green, and Congo are varieties of what? Peacock or parrot?
Repeat question.
Blue, green आणि Congo या कशाचे प्रकार आहेत? Peacock का parrot? Go.
Parrot.
No, it's a peacock. Which river empties into the Bay of Bengal? Narmada or Godavari? Go.
Narmada.
No, it is Godavari. Narmada goes into the
Bay
Arabian
of
Sea.
Bengal,
In
yes,
fact,
yes.
it is an exception. Narmada is the only major river which empties into the Arabian Sea.
Yes.
Most of the major rivers in India empty into the Bay of Bengal. So that concludes round 5. Now we shall have a break. But before going into the break, I want to ask you a question.
Yes.
And the viewers at home, you can think about this question. Which is the most printed currency? So, guys,
सलोना सा सजन है और मैं हूँ जिया में एक अगन है और मैं हूँ सलोना सा सजन है और मैं हूँ Lalitya Quiz Contest.
guys, welcome back after the break. And before going into the break, I had asked you a question, which is the most printed currency. If you guys have any idea, you can. You have any idea?
Maybe it's yen.
Yen. No.
Rupee.
No. The
Printed
answer is monopoly money.
अरे हो माहिती होतं हे.
So,
Monopoly.
that concludes the very comical question.
आपण खरंच
Now,
बघायला जातो.
we will have round 6. What's the word?
Yes.
In this round, I will ask each participant 2 sets of questions.
Yes.
Each set will contain 7 questions. In the first 6 questions, you have to note down the first letter of the answer, and if you string it together in in the order they appeared in, you will get a word, a 6-letter word. And the last question will be what's the word, and here you have to give me the 6-letter word which you have just got. Each participant will get 2 sets. Each set has 7 questions. Each question is worth 5 points. So 2 into 2 into 7 into 5, that is 70. So there are 70 points for stake at this question. Now let us start with you if you are ready.
Yeah.
You are ready? Yes. Good. Gases that heat atmosphere by trapping heat are called greenhouse gases or red house gases.
Greenhouse gases.
Yes. Which dance form originated in eastern India? Odissi or Kathak?
Odissi.
Yes. In Scotland, what is loch? Sea or lake?
Sea.
No. What is the religion founded by Akbar? Akbarnama or Din-i-Ilahi?
Dinelani.
Yes. Which actress is the sister of Ahana and stepsister of Bobby Deol?
Which?
Actress is the sister of Ahana and stepsister of Bobby Deol. Not right?
No.
Okay. Auckland is the largest urban area of which island nation?
New Zealand.
Yes. What is the word?
Golden.
Yes.
ईशा
in
देओल आहे ना
Scotland-
ते? ईशा
yes.
देओल.
In Scotland, Loch is a lake. I think you could make it from the Loch Lake. Wait. Are you ready?
Yes.
Raja Ravi Verma was an actor or painter?
Painter.
Yes. Another term for lift is escalator or elevator?
Escalator.
No. Which is Indian sweet? Rasam or rasmalai?
Rasmalai.
Is good. If P stands for postal and N stands for number, what is I in pin? Index or India?
बघा इंडिया.
No. Which leader was born in Cuttack on 23 January 1897?
ऑप्शन.
No.
Which leader?
Which leader was born in Cuttack on 23rd January 1897? Not right? Okay. In which state would you be sightseeing if you are at Dalhousie?
Which state? Dalhousie. But repeat question.
In which state would you be if you are sightseeing at Dalhousie?
Kashmir.
No. What is the word?
Peri. Peri.
It's the 6-letter word I am looking for.
Yes.
Yeah, you can try for a minute.
Parrot. No.
No.
Peri. Peri. Period.
No. I was looking for perish. The